Hi Facebook, welcome back. I hope everybody's having a wonderful week and de-stressing after a stressful election and start to our week. We are very excited to have you back. We're actually going to be sharing some skincare with you. So one of our patients, she actually lives in New York, but she's in between New York and Miami, and with the changing climates and the winter and being a partial snowbird, her skin has become very, very dry and she needed help. So we had her come in and see Nancy, and Nancy has gotten her all set up with an oxygen treatment and hydrofacial. So we're going to pop in while they're doing the oxygen and find out from Nancy what is really going to help her dehydrated skin to keep it hydrated, and see how our patient feels and her glowing skin. So let's pop in and see what's going on. Hi Nancy.
Hi Sophie, how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm so excited to see you.
I'm excited to see you. What are you doing here to this beautiful patient?
We're doing like an oxygen treatment, especially in her case. Her skin was really dry.
Okay.
And we give you like a special treatment to her skin to hydrating. A lot of people, they're gonna ask him what is oxygen treatment means. It's like a sponge and you put it in a bucket of water, and all the sponge opening, that's what we're doing with her skin.
Oh, that's amazing. So it's really gonna soak up all that water and oxygen and keep her glowing.
Yes, she's gonna keep glowing, and after this treatment, she's gonna be so happy. Not only her skin too.
Happy skin.
Happy skin.
So let me ask our patient, how has your treatment been today?
Amazing. I feel like a new girl.
That's a nice way to feel.
Like
what was your main concern? Why did you want to come in and see us today?
Because my skin was so dry from living in New York, and I felt not happy.
So you wanted to get it fixed. You wanted to get a little bit of a hydration in there and
I knew you guys
get that
would take
glow
care
back.
of me, yeah.
Awesome. Nancy, did you do any extractions to cleanse the skin and get anything out before?
They usually, how the treatment that I do is I clean the skin really well.
Okay.
And if they need extractions, that's what I do. Prepare the skin, clean those pores really well. And after do that, I'm doing the oxygen, and I put it like a really hydrating mask. So she's gonna be prepared for the weekend.
Amazing. How often would somebody need to get the oxygen treatments or facials with you so they can keep their skin looking really nice and glowing?
This treatment, they can do it every week if they want to. I mean, the result is for 7 days. That's what they usually start doing. They doing these treatments. But I mean, I always recommend, if you're gonna do a different treatment for your skin, try to do every month, because every 28 days our skin renews. So we need to prepare the skin, those pores, to keep them clean. So I think it's like their body. If you're doing like a really nice exercise to your body, that's the same thing for your skin. We need to treat the skin and take care, and we're gonna see really amazing results.
Amazing. So then this oxygen treatment is perfect for anybody before they have an event or something. Yes. This is the perfect thing to do.
Especially for the holidays. Thanksgiving is coming, Christmas, all the parties.
Yes,
so
for Thanksgiving dinner, for your Hanukkah celebrations, your Christmas celebrations, your office holiday parties. Keep you glowing through all the parties, all the events.
Yes, and like you can see, we already finished. It's only take like a few minutes when we put the
that was
oxygen.
It? Oh, that's fast.
And then we're gonna put a few creams, the regimen that we're gonna use and around her eyes. And I'm gonna put in like a few moisturizing, and it's very important to everybody. Sunblock is something that we need to use.
Sunscreen.
Yes. Remember, we live in here in Florida. We need to take care of our skin, and it's something that was very important to use.
Yes, we know we sound like broken records, guys, but sunscreen could not be, we can't say it enough. It's the one thing that's going to protect your skin forever and all eternity to keep you young and beautiful.
And
avoid the sun damage.
And another thing, Sophie, a lot of people, they're so afraid to use different type of skin because they have acne, they have different type, and I always hear, oh my God, there's something that I use that is not good for my skin. We have a different type of sunscreen, depends on the type of skin, and we have it in here. So we have a different type.
So come see us. We can get you whatever you need for the type of skin that you have.
Yes.
So we're going to come a little bit close here. Nancy, can we put the light just so we can see her skin a little bit better?
Yeah, sure.
Look at that glow.
Look at that.
Really though, look at her skin. I mean, it does not look dry. It's absolutely glowing. There's no blemishes. And she even had extractions done today, and you can see that she's not even that red. She doesn't look like, I know that a lot of people have that concern after having facials or treatments to their face. They're worried of leaving and being really red, swollen, looking like they popped a ton of pimples on their face, really, because that's what happens. But when you do these oxygen treatments, it's very soft on the skin, hydrating the skin, and it's perfect. She's going to walk out of here looking gorgeous and glowing and not have to worry about it.
Yeah, people, they can come in a break time, you know, when they're working, they take the lunch time and they can have like a nice facial and
This is a
they
nice
go back
lunch
to
break.
work. Yes.
That's a nice lunch break if you ask me. All right, Nancy, thank you so much
you're
for
welcome. I
showing.
hope that I see you soon.
This was amazing. We'll be
Okay.
back for sure.
All right, bye.
Thank you so much for visiting, guys. We are very excited to share this with you and hope you come in for your treatment soon. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you ASAP. See you soon.